Nabab Yupan. Ayan, sorry daw. Binarin ang bola. Tuloy number 9. Pop! Easy over. Easy set ulit. Trinakbo! And that's a nice point. Palakang putas na po ng Alabibro yan. 2-0 palakang putas natin. Nice service. Sinad ni Jet. Pinalo ni ating Kati. Pero hindi naman.
Love you, Kati!
That's the first point courtesy of Miss Catherine. Service ni Ate Lot, number 10 of Hetzel.
Go heads up!
Nice easy service. Lumayo na naman ang bola.
Hindi na nakita yun. Ayun, siyempre,
Service error. 2-2 na po ang special score natin in favor of Al-Habib Rayyan. Service area number 15. Tingnan natin. Easy service. Nice receive naman. Nakuha. Pinalik ni Cathy sa zone. Pop.
Nice, Emily!
Nakalo niya naman ni May. Drink up goal. Nakuha. Shot by Ann. Double po ang violation ng tinawag kay Chris. Service by Emilia. Ball is outside. Another service error from Hetza.
Don't drink that much. Too much of this drink gives you something like a whole load of Go on, it!
Nice shot by Jet pero labas ang bola. Isang kutos na naman for Al-Habib Rayyan.
Ano ang score mo? 5-3.
Nice service.
Holog na lang, holog!
Pa! Pinalik ang bola. Yan, siset naman.
Set!
Pa! Huli. Bibigay kay May! Pa! Rin na bola. Nakuha naman ni Ate Cathy. Pinalig ni Ann. Likod. Latreto na naman. 4 touches.
Likod. Likod ang balik. Balik.
Nice service by Miss Cathy. May nice shot. Maganda din magkaka-receive. Ayun. Agad talaga nilagay kay Greta.
Simple. Kapag Jenny.
Service pa rin ni Miss Cathy. Error service na naman. Tatlong error service na. Heads up. Official score natin, isang putos lang po ang lamang at 6-5 in favor of Al-Habib Rayyan. Ball is in! Nice service by May. Ayan, umatras na siya kasi baka ma-out na ang bola. Tignan natin. Ayun, masyado namang mahina. Puntos ng heads up. Service by Ann.
Go, Ati.
Pinatambok ng ibang beses. Pinalo ni Janice. Easy over. Na-receive ni Ann. Pinalo ni Janice. Nice shot by Janice. Janice number 1. All 7 na pong score na. Nice service. Ayan. Ganda na service ni Ann. Timeout called by Al-Habib Rayyan. That timeout is brought to you by Wilson.